Can I have that? Can I have that?
He's thinking really hard about it.
Yeah.
Are those supposed to be bunny ears? Hey. Hey, can we have your cookie? Can I have your cookie?
Can you dance for us?
Shake your bum.
Can you dance?
Yeah, put on some music first.
Oh,
There
yeah.
it goes. Yeah.
Dance, dance. Yeah. Can I have your cookie? Oh, give me your cookie.
Can I have a cookie?
Everyone wants
Can
your
I have it?
Yeah.
He's like,
Oh, yep.
Can I have a cookie? Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
No.
No.
Neo. Oh, down you go. Down you go.
Oh my god, look at this shit. Uh-oh. Just chokes beers like there's nothing.
I love intervention. Is this on right now?
This one makes me cry.
What? Why?